What's up? This is your boy, Mr. Kryptic. I just want you to know that I got something new today. Well, I had it for a minute, but I got something new today as we're doing this video. And everybody knows I like to spend money on my computer and all that stuff, so I got me a new case. And let me go ahead and turn this camera around over here so you can see what I got. I got the Hyte Y70, and this thing right here, I can't wait to build it because it's my first vertical GPU mount case. So it's a panoramic tempered glass 4-slot graphics card with floor. It's 47 millimeters by 320 millimeters by 470 millimeters. It's ABS steel and tempered glass. It supports ITX, ATX, ATX, ETAX, and it supports up to ATX power supplies up to 233 meters. Fan support: 3 120s or 2 140s at the side, 3 120s or 2 140s at the top, 1 220 or 140 millimeter at the rear, and 3 120s or 2 140s at the bottom. So that's pretty cool. My current case has a lot of fans in it, so that's perfect because I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 fans in my current one. So that means I'm gonna do 3 6 9 10. I'll have an extra just in case one dies. Awesome. Side radiator support is 120, 140, 240, 280, and a 360 up to 15 millimeters thick, or the top is 120, 140, 240, 280, or 360, or up to 68 meters thick with fans at the top. Rear 120 or 140 millimeters, don't matter how thick it is. Alright, CPU cooler height, it can be up to 180 millimeters, which I ain't worried about because I got the Corsair 150i, so don't worry about that. Storage has 2 3.5 hard drives and 4 2.5 SSDs, expansion slots. Expansion slots, it's got 4 and plus 6 half height PCIe slots. It's got 2 USB 3.2 Gen Type A's and 1 USB 2.32 Gen Type C. It's got an audio and mic jack. It's got a power button with a mechanical button, so it's like my keyboard, so awesome. And it's got a dust filter on the top, side, and bottom. Of course, we'll take the one off the top because that's where my air is going to be escaping, not coming in. So, all good. And the display is optional. Now, this doesn't have the display because I didn't want the display. I wanted to be able to see my computer. All this here won't be a display. It's the clear type. But they are making it in the future where you can actually get a thing for it. So, while we made this, a new build should feel new. True. Now 100% touch free. Awesome. The computer aesthetics so future. English. There's a crowd. 4 slots is a party, which basically means they can support up the biggest GPUs. Because the Y60 will only do, it would support it, but you wouldn't have any breathing room. This should get breathing room. So our 3090 Ti's and up can now live in these cases. Okay, nice. Technical blue switch returns the favor when you're ready to turn it on. So when you push the power button, you feel like you're a gamer. You feel like you have that technical power instead of just going bloop, bloop. You know, it's like chick, 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 chick. So that's awesome. Fashion was the only law. Pleasure, the only pursuit. So there you go. That's the box. This is what you're doing. This is what I got. And let's open it and see what she looks like. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and open this thing up. See how nice it looks. Let's see how nice she looks. As we open her up, well packaged. That's always good. Always good to know they care about the products. Oh, a little heavy, but it's going to be because it's a big case. Alright, get that out of the way. And here she is, boys and girls. The Hyte Y70. Man, she is a monster. It's a little bigger than my other case, so I might have to do some rearranging. But I got the red and black because, you know, my aesthetics on my computer desk are red and black. My lights on my computer are red. So the red and black thing goes perfectly fine. And let's go ahead and pull it up. Show what she looks like. Here it is, guys. Isn't she a beaut? So here's the back of it. Like I said, we have our power supply tray. We have our motherboard. We have our 4 slots. We have small slots because I need one of these small slots for my capture cards. And then we have these drive bays here for storage. If you open these up, you can take them apart here. And there's the box to it, so I'm going to get that out of there. Okay. There's your hard drive storage. You can either put SSDs or hard drives in here if you want to. So that's pretty cool. Alright, and then we'll just screw it back on there. Easy access. And see if there's nothing in this one. I doubt there'll be anything in this one, because there's usually just one that has something in it. But we'll see. No surprises when I actually get ready. Yeah, it's just empty. So there's your hard drive slots. And then we'll open the back here. It should just be a pull. Yeah. Open the back here. And you'll see we have plenty of space. This is all the space you had to put your cables and stuff. Put your power supply will go here. You have all this cable stuff. The there's your USB 3.0. Then you have your, well, that's USB 3.0. I don't know exactly what that is. But you got all those. You got cable straps down here to have everything underneath the power supply. Then you got your 3-route fan here. Okay. Then we take this off. And then you have a tray here that's removable. There we go. Okay, I'm not going to remove it right now because I'm not exactly... Oh, I see how it works. Right, I don't want to bend it, so I'm not going to do it right now. But we got that, and as you can see, there's the tray thing. So you can put your radiator on. Okay. Then we'll take this off. Everything's just pop. There's no extra stuff on it or anything like that. So we got that off. And then we have the rest of it here, which has the riser cable here. And then this goes to the motherboard. This holds this in place for now. I don't want to take it out because I'll have to move that around. You don't want to bend these cables, because if you bend these riser cables, your graphics card won't work. Then of course you've got cardboard here to help keep this from getting broken. I'm going to keep it on there. I'm going to put it back on there later so I can show you that part. And then you got your ports here. You got your mic, USB 3.1, your tactical switch, listen. Yeah, tactical switches, you can hear it. And you got your another USB 3.1 and a USB 3.2 USB-C. Yep, and there it is, guys. And if I go to the bottom here, you'd be able to pop this off. You got your filters and your other fans. In order to get this off, you just take these out right here, and then you get your other fans down here. Mount them. These will be going up into the GPU, so you want these to be pushing air in. And then, yeah. So they really thought this through. Really cool case. Really awesome looking case. This looks amazing. You can tell this is a premium case by the way it looks and the way it feels and the way everything just comes together and stuff. So, yeah, amazing case. If y'all looking for this case, they are available right now. They are a little expensive, not too expensive, but this one costs $220, and not bad for a case like this. It's really awesome. You get to see the whole aesthetic of the computer. As you can see, if you have, like, even if you don't have lights in it, you'll have like your dark fans here. You'll still have the aesthetic of your whole computer, so people can see what you got in there if you really want them to. And yeah, let's go and get this all back together, and I'll tell you what my ideas and thoughts are of what I want to do with this case. Okay? Awesome. Oh, one more thing before we go to that. I just want to show you what's in the box. So you got ties and you got all the screws you need. You got an audio you have a split audio jack here. You got some more straps, and you got cable holders. So all that's pretty cool that they add all this to it. Like this is definitely a premium case. Pretty awesome. And the Y70 is the way to go. You don't have to get the touch, and you can't get the touch right now. It's actually out of stock. They ran out of materials to make everything, but they are in the future going to make that screen for the add-on for this case if you want to get it. I personally don't care for it right now. Maybe later in the future, because my GPU and everything does everything it needs to do. I mean, my CPU cooler shows everything. My computer shows everything. It would be kind of cool to have like nothing on my desktop or down on the corner. But when you use a screen, it's just using another screen on your GPU. So if you have 3 monitors or 4 monitors and you don't have like a support for that, I mean, there's no point in getting that screen because you don't have anything to hook it to. But yeah, guys. So my version of this PC, it's going to be colorful. It's going to have red. It's going to have red lights underneath, red lights on top, red lights on the back, on the side here. My GPU is going to be standing up here. It's going to be red. My AI cooler, the Corsair 150. I think it is. It's gonna be red. It's gonna have all my temperatures and everything on it. So I really don't need that display, and I really don't want it because the reason I'm getting rid of this, my old case, is because I want to see everything. And I currently have the Corsair 5000D. It's an amazing case. It's a beautiful case, but it's just time to get the aesthetics of my rest of my desk to my PC. So that's why I went red and black. When I saw red and black, I fell in love, had to get it, and here we are. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Is this video inspiring you to probably get your own case of the Hyte Y70? These are available right now. The touches aren't, but the regulars are. So if you're not into all that touch stuff, you don't need all that touch stuff, and you just want to get a good case with good airflow that can hold the biggest graphics card on the planet, then this is the one for you. So guys, hope you enjoyed it, and next time I'll show you my build. Peace.